Must-see places in Boston. Number 1. Charles River Esplanade. The Esplanade offers stunning views of the Charles River and the Boston skyline. It's a popular spot for locals and tourists to take in the picturesque scenery. The park is home to numerous bird species, including ducks, geese, swans, herons, and various songbirds. The Charles River is a popular location for boating, and the Esplanade offers access to the river for kayaking, canoeing, sailing, and paddleboarding. This is the Hatch Memorial Shell, a popular riverside amphitheater with lawn seating presenting concerts, plays and other performances. The Esplanade provides opportunities for outdoor activities such as jogging, biking, rollerblading, and walking. There are well-maintained paths and trails along the river, making it a great place for exercise and relaxation. Number 2. Public Garden. The monument of the first President of the United States, George Washington, can be seen here in Public Garden. The Public Garden is one of the oldest public botanical gardens in the United States and is renowned for its beauty and serene atmosphere. The garden was established in 1837 and designed in the Victorian style, which is characterized by meticulously manicured landscapes. The centerpiece of the Public Garden is the tranquil lagoon, which is home to the swan boats and is surrounded by weeping willow trees, colorful flower beds, and a variety of waterfowl. Throughout the year, the Public Garden showcases seasonal displays of flowers, including tulips in the spring and colorful foliage in the fall. Number 3. Quincy Market. Quincy Market is a historic building dating back to the early 19th century. The marketplace is home to a wide range of shops and stalls, offering everything from clothing and accessories to souvenirs, jewelry, and gourmet food products. It's a great place to shop for unique gifts and Boston-themed merchandise. The area around Quincy Market often features street performers, including musicians, magicians, and other entertainers. Quincy Market is renowned for its diverse food options. Visitors can enjoy a variety of cuisines, including seafood, chowder, pizza, sandwiches, international fare, and more. Quincy Market is famous for its blend of history, shopping, dining, and entertainment, making it a must-visit destination for tourists exploring Boston. Number 4. Chinatown. One of the main draws of Chinatown is its incredible array of restaurants and eateries serving authentic Chinese cuisine. From dim sum and dumplings to Sichuan, Cantonese, and other regional specialties, you can satisfy your cravings for delicious food. Here you will find a lot of Asian grocery stores and markets, where you can find a wide range of imported ingredients, spices, teas, and Asian snacks. The neighborhood is also home to cultural organizations and centers that promote Chinese heritage, language, and arts. Chinatown in Boston is a sensory and cultural journey, offering a taste of China's rich traditions and flavors right in the heart of the city. Number 5. Boston Common. Boston Common is located in the heart of Boston, Massachusetts. Boston Common hosts a range of public events and gatherings throughout the year, including concerts, festivals, cultural celebrations, and political rallies. It serves as a beautiful and expansive green space in the middle of a bustling urban environment, providing a place for relaxation, picnics, and outdoor activities for both residents and visitors. Boston Common is a multifaceted urban park that offers a blend of history, recreation, cultural events, and natural beauty, making it a cherished and popular destination for both locals and tourists. And number 6. Newbury Street. Newbury Street is renowned for its luxury and high-end shopping options. The street is a fashion lover's paradise, with stores from well-known brands and emerging designers. Newbury Street is famous for its blend of shopping, dining, art, and culture, all set against the backdrop of historic architecture. It's a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Boston's vibrant and diverse offerings.